Digitalization is not the new next thing, of course. It's already here, it's happening day by day. And this means especially a challenge that we organize this transition, that we have, let's say, big, bold visions on how the different elements of our future transport systems will better coexist, better move together forward to a more synergetic view on the transport system. And so transformation especially means, of course, in the end, making business out of it, but also, of course, tackling emotions. It means a new kind of responsibility. It means not just with maybe concerning the business models, new kind of, let's say, we sell new technologies and products, but we provide services. And therefore, with these new products and services, the mobility sector will outreach then to other sectors where especially the money should come from. So the transport sector with digitalization is more concentrating on generating benefit than generating problems, as we actually see it in transport. I think the biggest challenge for future mobility and transport is the transition to a carbon-free transport system. And the way towards a carbon-free transport system is not just a straight pathway from A to B. It's like a river meandering through different hilly and other kinds of topographies that we have to handle on our path to go there. And taking all the sectors and taking all the participants in this transport sector with us in a more cooperative way, in a more sustainable way than we did it in the past. And digitalization is our helper in that way, because it creates the transparency if we do it right. It opens up market potentials, and it helps us in better, let's say, use the different factors for creating mobility options. And really creating options and a variety of options that it's not a threat, it's more diverse, and it enables more possible options for mobility in the future for our population and also our economy to grow. So what's the contribution of the TRA especially? So we want to make TRA not just to happen every 2 years as a conference. It should be a process. It should be really the arena, and we take the title, the Transport Research Arena, seriously. So we have really to incorporate a common agenda out of the TRA. And this is so important that the TRA as a gathering brings together research, industry and policymakers to formulate this agenda, to contribute with new research perspectives and new technologies and solutions, and also to search for a stable industrial base for incorporating this in real life. And so I think TRA is a second-to-none conference and a second-to-none arena to making transport transformation possible.